Hi guys, so morning to everyone. Welcome back to my channel. This is the next unboxing episode for Cebu Vanlife. I don't have a proper lighting or lightings in our house, inside our house, so I'm trying to unbox this Hohem iSteady Pro 4 for action camera gimbal. So I'm gonna use this for my GoPro and hoping that this would really add more value in my vlogging. So I'm outside the house and trying to again unbox this new gadgets for my vlog. So try to do this very quick. Again, this is only for unboxing purpose, and then later on I'm going to give a full review once I try this gimbal. And it says again here, it's a Hohem, brand is iSteady Pro 4. It's a wireless GoPro control. It has IP4 splash proof and it could last 14 hours. I'm sorry for the background noise. Again, we are outside, so we could have a better lighting. And it could also be a power bank. So let's try to open this very quick. Let's do this. So guys, this is the Hohem iSteady Pro 4. I already take it out from the box. It's pretty neat and simple. And let's try to open this one. Yeah, good thing about the case is very sturdy, so I'm sure that it's really safe inside. Okay, let's open it. I'm using only one hand, as you can see. And let's open. As you can see, there is a manual guide. This is the unit itself. Hi baby. Hi.
Hi.
So this is the gimbal. So nice. Let's put it aside. This is the USB power. In case you want to charge or you want to connect your camera. This is also the adapter for the camera to the gimbal, and this is the mini tripod, so you can connect it and put it on the table just in case. And it also serves an extension to the gimbal. I think that's pretty much it. Again, there is a manual guide. There's 2 cables, there's 1 tripod, and the product itself, and of course the box. This one, also the carrying box, hard case. Alright, that's it guys. Thank you for watching this video. This is again only unboxing. I'm gonna try this device later on and see what it can do, and I'll give you a full feedback or product review later on. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit like button and share if you like this video. Thank you. Alright, bye bye. Say bye. Come on.
Hi.
Bye.
Thank you for our watching. Bye. Subscribe to our channel. Bye. Remember, click our channel.